Before we get started, let's familiarize ourselves with the content supplied with each SmartWater forensic spray system. In the box, you will receive the forensic spray system, a nozzle and tubing kit, 2 bottles of unique forensic liquid, deterrent signage, a battery pack, and an empty test bottle. You will also need a drill, screwdriver, and a multimeter to install the system. Note that the forensic spray system is supplied with the curtain nozzle that has a spray pattern of approximately 9 feet in length, 2.5 feet in width. Please also be mindful that the SmartWater forensic liquid will mark any items that stand within the spray pattern, and as such should be considered when sighting the spray nozzle. Next, we need to identify the location for installation of the SmartWater forensic spray system. Note that the spray nozzle should be no more than 5 feet to 6.5 feet away from the trigger point, in this case, a PIR. This will ensure the system will activate almost instantly once the detection device has been triggered. We can now proceed with installing and wiring the system.